folks, it's Rick here, and I am at our Gilbert Mesa office with Debra Allen, and hi. And I want to ask you the same question. So I'm brand new, or I'm trying to revamp my business, especially this time of the year, right? Very important. What are the 3 most important things you would tell them to focus on right from the get-go?
Be authentic.
Ooh.
Because people will pick up when you're not being true to yourself.
Right.
Don't sell them something if you don't believe in it. That's a big one. Know your market, know your numbers, come
Right.
prepared, because you're building your own business.
Right.
You should really treat it as a business, and really knowledge is power in this industry.
Absolutely. Somebody's got to be the professional, right?
Correct. And then the last one I would say, always put the client first.
Cool.
Never put your commission first. Always think, I'm here to serve as a customer, and I'm doing everything in my power to make sure they get the most money. Secondary is the outcome of what you're gonna make. You're gonna make your living, but that's just kind of.
I love it. So it goes back to the fiduciary responsibility.
Absolutely.
Okay, so be authentic. I think
Mhm.
that's huge. Okay, be an expert in your market, and then
Numbers. And then always treat the client
always
first.
treat the client number 1. I love the
Yeah.
fiduciary responsibility. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.